Stop me if you've heard this before. You work 40 hours a week. You get paid. You pay your bills. You have a little bit left over. You save some, maybe invest some, and you're stuck. One income stream, one job, one source of money. And if that disappears tomorrow, you're screwed. Here's what nobody tells you. Wealthy people don't have one income stream. They have 5, 6, sometimes 10. And today I'm breaking down 5 income streams you can start building this month. Not someday. Not next year. This month. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. These aren't passive income fantasies. These are real income streams that real people are building right now with skills they already have. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits you and exactly how to start today. Let's roll. Pause. Income stream number 1. Freelance your existing skill. You already have a skill people will pay for. You just don't realize it yet. Can you write? Businesses need content writers, copywriters, email writers, blog writers. Can you design? Companies need logos, websites, social media graphics, presentations. Can you code? Every startup needs developers. Every business needs websites fixed, apps built, automation created. Can you manage social media? Small businesses are desperate for someone to run their Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Can you edit videos? Content creators, businesses, real estate agents, everyone needs video editors. Here's the thing. You don't need to be the best in the world. You just need to be good enough to solve someone's problem. A local restaurant doesn't need a Michelin star designer. They need someone who can make a decent menu and update their website. That could be you. A real estate agent doesn't need a Hollywood editor. They need someone to cut together property videos for Instagram. That could be you. Let me give you the exact playbook to start freelancing this month. Step 1. Pick one skill. Just one. Don't try to do everything. If you can write, you're a writer. If you can design, you're a designer. Pick one. Step 2. Create samples. If you don't have clients yet, make fake projects. Design a fake logo. Write a fake blog post. Edit a fake video. Put together 3 samples that show what you can do. Step 3. Get on Upwork or Fiverr. Create a profile. Upload your samples. Write a simple description. I help small businesses with X. Done. Step 4. Undercut everyone at first. You're new. You don't have reviews. Charge half what everyone else charges. Your goal isn't money yet. Your goal is your first 5 clients and your first 5 reviews. Step 5. Deliver great work. Over-deliver. Respond fast. Be easy to work with. Get 5-star reviews. Step 6. Raise your prices after every 5 clients. You started at $20 an hour. After 5 clients, you're 30. After 10 clients, you're 40. After 20 clients, you're 60. Within 3 months, you're making real money freelancing a skill you already had. I'm not saying quit your job. I'm saying build a second income stream that brings in an extra $1,000 or $2,000 a month. That changes everything. Income stream number 2. Create a digital product. This is the most slept on income stream, and it blows my mind. A digital product is something you create once and sell forever. An ebook, a course, a template, a guide, a checklist, a spreadsheet. Here's why this is powerful. You spend 20 hours creating it. Then you sell it for 5 years without doing any more work. Let me give you real examples. You're a teacher? Create a study guide for a specific test. Sell it for $15. Students buy it. You make money while you sleep. You're good at Excel. Create a budgeting template. Sell it for $10 on Etsy or Gumroad. People who suck at Excel buy it. You know how to meal prep? Create a 30-day meal plan with recipes and shopping lists. Sell it for $20. You're into fitness? Create a 12-week workout plan PDF. Sell it for $30. You understand investing? Create a beginner's guide to index funds. Sell it for 20 bucks. See the pattern? You have knowledge. Other people need that knowledge. Package it. Sell it. Here's the exact process. Step 1. Identify one thing you know that others don't. It doesn't have to be complicated. Basic knowledge is valuable to people who don't have it. Step 2. Create the product. Use Google Docs for ebooks. Use Canva for templates and guides. Use Notion for databases. Use Sheets for spreadsheets. All free tools. Step 3. List it on Gumroad or Etsy. Both platforms are made for selling digital products. Gumroad takes 10%, Etsy charges 40 cents per listing. That's it. Step 4. Price it low to start, 10 to 30 bucks. You're testing the market. If it sells, great. If it doesn't, you adjust. Step 5. Promote it. Post about it on Reddit in relevant communities. Post on Twitter. Post on Facebook groups. Tell people it exists. If 50 people buy your $20 guide, that's $1,000. You created it once. It sells forever. And here's the kicker. Once you have one product selling, you create a second one. Then a third. You build a catalog. 3 products making $500 a month each is $1,500 per month in passive income from work you did once. Income stream number 3. Invest in dividend stocks. Okay, this one requires money up front, but it's the most truly passive income stream on this list. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay you cash just for owning them. Every quarter, money hits your account. You don't do anything. Let me give you real numbers. You invest $10,000 into a dividend stock or fund, paying 4% annual yield. That's $400 per year. 33 bucks a month. Not life-changing yet. But here's what happens over time. You keep adding money. You invest 500 bucks a month into dividend stocks. After 5 years at 8% growth plus 4% dividends, you've got around 40,000 invested. That 40,000 pays you $1,600 per year in dividends. That's 133 bucks a month. Still not huge, but after 10 years, you've got around 95,000 invested. That's 3,800 per year in dividends. 317 bucks per month. After 20 years, you've got around 300,000 invested. That's 12,000 per year in dividends. 1,000 bucks a month. $1,000 a month without working. That's a car payment. That's groceries. That's insurance. That's freedom. Here's how to start. Step 1. Open a brokerage account if you don't have one. Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab. We covered this in video 2 of this series if you haven't watched it yet. Step 2. Look for dividend ETFs. STHD is a popular one. IM is another. These are funds that hold dozens of dividend-paying companies. You buy one fund, you own all of them. Step 3. Invest consistently. Even $100 a month into a dividend fund builds up over time. Step 4. Reinvest the dividends automatically. Most platforms have a button called DripBot, Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Turn it on. Your dividends automatically buy more shares. It compounds faster. This is the slowest income stream to build, but it's the most reliable. Companies have been paying dividends for decades. They'll keep paying them for decades more. Before we hit income streams 4 and 5, quick thing. If you're getting value from this video, do me a solid and hit that like button. It seriously helps the algorithm push this to more people. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe right now. This is part of a complete series on building wealth. We've covered money lies, investing your first $1,000, calculating your retirement number, and now income streams. Next video, I'm breaking down index funds for complete beginners. Simple explanations, no jargon. You'll want that. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. All right, income stream number 4. Rent out stuff you already own. You have things sitting around your house not being used. Other people will pay to borrow them. Your car. Listed on Turo. People rent it when you're not using it. Average Turo host makes around $500 a month renting out one car. Your parking space. If you live in a city, people will pay for parking. Listed on Spot, Hero, or Neighbor. Make $50 to $200 a month depending on location. Your camera gear. Photographers and videographers rent equipment all the time. Listed on KitSplit or Fat Llama. Your tools. You've got a pressure washer you use twice a year. Rented out on Neighbor the other 363 days. Extra bedroom or basement. Rented on Airbnb. Even if you just rent it out on weekends, that's 4 to 8 days a month. Could be $500 to $1,500 depending on your area. Storage space in your garage. People need to store stuff. Listed on Neighbor. Make $50 to $150 a month. Here's the playbook. Step 1. Walk through your house and garage. What do you own that you rarely use? Step 2. Google rent out plus that item. Rent out car. Rent out camera. Rent out parking space. You'll find platforms. Step 3. List it. Take good photos. Write a clear description. Set a fair price. It takes 30 minutes. Step 4. Manage bookings. Most platforms handle payments and insurance. You just hand over the item and get it back. This isn't massive income. But if you rent out your car for $500, your parking space for $100, and your extra room twice a month for $300, that's $900 a month. $900 a month is $10,800 a year. That's an extra full month of salary doing basically nothing. Income stream number 5. Create content and monetize it. This is the long game, but it's the highest upside. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram.x, formerly Twitter.medium, Substack. All of these platforms pay creators now. YouTube pays ad revenue once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. After that, every video you make can generate income for years. Some videos I made a year ago still make money every single month. TikTok has a creator fund. You make videos, they pay you based on views.x pays creators through their ad revenue share program. You need a premium subscription and 10 million impressions in 90 days, but it's doable. Medium pays writers based on how many people read their articles. Some writers make a few hundred a month. Some make a few thousand. Substack lets you create a paid newsletter. Charge $5 a month. Get 200 subscribers. That's $1,000 a month. Here's the reality. This takes time. You're not making money month 1. Probably not month 3. Maybe not month 6. But if you consistently create valuable content for a year, you build an audience. And audiences can be monetized. Let me be real with you. This channel you're watching right now, it's an income stream. I'm building it the same way I'm telling you to build yours. I'm not making big money yet, but I'm building. Every video I make is an asset. Every subscriber is progress. In a year, this could be making real money. In 2 years, it could replace a salary. Here's how you start. Step 1. Pick one platform. Don't try to be everywhere. YouTube or TikTok or X. Just one. Step 2. Pick one topic you know well. Finance, fitness, cooking, gaming, parenting, technology. One topic. Step 3. Make one piece of content per week. Minimum. Consistency beats perfection. Step 4. Study what works. Look at successful creators in your niche. What do they do? What gets views? What gets engagement? Copy the structure, not the content. Step 5. Stick with it for a year. Most people quit after 10 videos. Don't be most people. This is the hardest income stream to build, but it's the most scalable. Freelancing caps at your hourly rate. Dividend income caps at how much you invest. Content creation has no cap. Your upside is unlimited. All right, let's recap all 5 income streams. Income stream 1, freelance your existing skill. Writing, design, video editing, coding, social media. Start on Upwork or Fiverr. Undercharge at first. build reviews, raise prices, make an extra 1 to 3,000 per month. Income stream 2, create a digital product. Ebook, course, template, guide. Make it once, sell it forever. Use Gumroad or Etsy. Price it 10 to 30 bucks. Promote it in relevant communities. Make 500 to 2,000 per month. Income stream 3, invest in dividend stocks. Open brokerage account. Buy dividend ETFs like SCHD or VYM. Invest consistently. Reinvest dividends. Build slowly but reliably. Eventually generates hundreds to thousands per month. Income stream 4. Rent out stuff you own. Car on Turo. Parking on Spot Hero. Extra room on Airbnb. Camera gear on KitSplit. Tools on Neighbor. Make 500 to 1,500 per month. Income stream 5. Create content. YouTube, TikTok, X, Medium, Substack. Pick one platform. One topic. Post consistently for a year. Monetize through ads, subscriptions, sponsorships. Takes longest but highest upside. Now here's the key. You don't need all 5 right now. Pick one, just one. The one that fits your current situation and skills. Got skills? Start freelancing. Got knowledge? Create a digital product. Got money to invest? Start dividend investing. Got stuff? Rent it out. Got time and patience? Start creating content. Pick one. Start this week. Not next month, this week. Because here's what happens when you have 2 income streams instead of 1. You stop being desperate. You can take risks at your main job because losing it doesn't destroy you. You can negotiate better because you're not scared. You can invest more because you have more coming in. 2 income streams is security. 3 is comfortable. 4 is freedom. 5 is wealth. Most people never start because they think it's too hard. Or they think they need special skills. Or they think it takes too much time. But you just spent 16 minutes watching this video. You have time. You have skills. You just need to start. If this video fired you up, smash that like button. Drop a comment telling me which income stream you're starting with. I read every single comment. Let me know what you're building. And subscribe if you haven't yet. Seriously, this series is giving you the complete financial playbook. Next video breaks down index funds in the simplest way possible. You need to see it. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Now stop watching YouTube and go build your second income stream. See you in the next one.